In this video, I'll show you how to display subtasks on your board view in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or just trying to figure out how to make your workflow more efficient, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get those subtasks visible in your board view. Before we jump in, make sure you know that you can use Asana completely free from the first link in the description, along with exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of this powerful tool. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the project where you want to display the subtasks on your board view. Once you're in your project, go to your board view. You'll notice that the tasks are laid out in columns. These are your project stages or sections. Next thing, look at the task you want to work with. If there are any subtasks associated with it, you won't see them just by default on the board. So here's the trick. Click on the task to open the detailed view. You'll see all the subtasks listed underneath the main task. But we want them to appear on the board view, right? The fourth thing you need to do is click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your board. This opens the project settings. From here, click on Customize. Now, you should see options for showing additional fields, like subtasks. The fifth thing is to turn on the option to display subtasks. When you do this, Asana will show the subtasks directly on your board view, right under their parent task. They'll look like smaller tasks, so you can track their progress just as easily as the main task. It's a great way to keep everything organized and ensure that no detail slips through the cracks. Next, if you're looking to get more organized, you can also sort these subtasks by signee or due date, so they fit seamlessly into your board's workflow. This can really help when you're working with a larger team or handling complex projects with multiple steps. Finally, once your subtasks are visible, make sure you're using them to break down your larger tasks into manageable chunks. It'll make your work much more efficient. If you find yourself needing more customization options for managing your tasks and subtasks, you can always explore Asana's premium features, but for now, displaying subtasks on your board is a simple yet powerful way to improve your workflow. Before I go, remember, you can try Asana completely free using the first link below, and if you sign up through that link, you'll also get exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of this tool. So, that's it for this quick guide on how to show subtasks on your board view in Asana. Keep your workflow simple and organized with just a few easy steps. Make sure to hit that link for the exclusive trial, and I'll see you in the next video.